Zaporizhya is one of the industrial centers of Ukraine, the city of metallurgists and machine builders. Dniprogas, Hortitsa, Avtozas, a typical metropolis with a developed transport infrastructure, one of the components of which is a tramway. Trams carry hundreds of thousands of people in Zaporizhya. The most common problems, as in other metropolis, are the moral and physical deterioration of the tramway and rolling stock. In the fall of 2017, the group of companies Tekhenergoprom took part in the reconstruction of tramways in Zaporizhya. On the Zemsky Dr. Lukashevich Street, for many years, cars, pedestrians and trams divided the roadway almost on an equal footing. It didn't suit both drivers and pedestrians. The tram that runs along the street is often the cause of traffic jams. The safety of the tram and automobile traffic is directly dependent on tramways in this section. The old rails, laid down here in the first half of the last century, could not withstand any criticism. Experts of the group of companies Techenergoprom implemented on this section of the road the laying of rails LK1. They are pressed by means of sealing rubber into the concrete slab. The advantage of this technology: relative speed of track laying, stable geometry, good vibration-proof insulation. This reconstruction allowed to increase the safety of tram transportations and also to improve the passage through the rails of vehicles. Another technology was used for laying rails in Zavodskoy district of Zaporizhya and the vicinity of Glazunov and Pavlokichkasskaya streets. The classic technology of laying rails on a wooden slipper allows quickly and effectively to renew the rail track and helps to save money. In this district of Zaporizhya, these factors were the main in choosing the technology of laying. Laying tram rail T62 on a wooden slipper was the optimal solution to the problem of replacing the track. The engineering solutions of the specialists of the group of companies Techenergoprom in the reconstruction of tramways take into account the key issue of saving the municipal budget. In the current economic situation, this is one of the priorities factors in the organization of the whole complex of works on the modernization of tramway communications.